Some things just, go together, like summer sunshine and key lime pie. It's bright, refreshing, and the perfect citrus punch to help take down the heat. Alyssa Rivers is joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share the recipe for a no-bake key lime pie. It's so great to meet you. Great to have you.
Yes, thank you.
I was just telling Alyssa I'm a sucker for key lime pie. In fact, at a girlfriend's birthday lunch just last week, and the waiter comes up and says, "Dessert, anyone?" And it's the no. And he said, "We have chocolate cake, we have chocolate mousse, we have key lime pie." And I was like, yes. Like normally you would cave under pressure and say no, so get everyone out of there. But I was like, I'm holding you all hostage while I eat my key lime pie. I love it.
Yes, so it was honestly meant to be.
Yes.
But I was here today making my favorite dessert, and it's also one of your favorites.
We are sisters. We are sisters.
Yes.
What do you love about this?
So I fell in love with it. Have you had real key lime pie?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, that is what really sucked me into the key. I love tart desserts, but that is what really did it for me.
Pulled you in.
So, but yes, you can eat key lime pie year round, but it's really popular in the summer. But on my birthday in February, I get key lime pie.
We don't discriminate. Now this is a no bake, so a few shortcuts involved, but the taste you say similar.
Yes, I love the no-bake because it's just so smooth and creamy, and it's, you take this to a potluck or a summer gathering, and it's the perfect
You're
dessert.
The favorite person at the party.
Yes.
Okay, where do we start?
So we're gonna start with the crust. And it's a simple graham cracker crust. And we're gonna have to melt this butter.
I can do that.
So why don't
I'll do that while you're talking.
For us?
So graham cracker butter, just your basic graham.
Yep. And
do you want to jump to the filling while I get this going?
Yeah.
That'd be great. What goes into the filling?
And then we are gonna start by whipping some cream, because you're gonna fold this in, and this will actually help set the dessert. So we're gonna get that going.
Okay.
While this is going, do you want to juice some of our lime?
I do, if I remember how to use this gizmo the right way. It's this way, right? Is that what we decided?
So just use, and then just squeeze it on into, and we're gonna do a half a cup of key lime juice.
And fresh limes kind of probably make up for anything in this, make up for the shortcuts in this recipe, right?
Yes,
if you're getting that fresh flavor.
Yep, and key limes are sometimes hard to find.
Yeah.
And so you can use just regular limes in this. Key limes, they are a little more tart.
Yeah.
They're smaller, but it took me going to a few stores to find them.
And how many do you need, roughly?
And it's a half a cup, so it equals about 4 to 5 key limes.
Okay, and does this go right into the filling?
Yep, and it's gonna go
You ready
into
for
the
me?
filling. This is the whipped cream.
Sorry.
So we're whipping this first, and it till it gets stiff peaks.
Yep.
And then we're gonna beat our cream cheese, add sweetened condensed milk, and then lime zest, and then so we've almost got this.
So you talked about that smooth texture, that smooth consistency.
Yes.
There's a lot of smoothness happening in all of these ingredients, from the cream cheese to the sweetened condensed milk.
So much.
Yes.
If you're gonna find the perfect no-bake key lime pie recipe, it is for sure this one.
I'm gonna reach over you, put this into our graham cracker collection.
Okay, and then we're also gonna add the sugar.
Okay.
So you can mix that as well.
You got it.
Okay, so we've got our cream cheese ready.
Our kitchen is a hive of activity, just how we like it.
We are just going to set this aside while we start the second part in our filling. So we're gonna beat the cream cheese and get this smooth and creamy. So you can't go wrong with cream cheese, whipping cream, and sweetened condensed milk.
Right, it's a happy combination.
It's the perfect combination.
Can I press this into the pan?
Yep.
Okay.
So just put that into the pan, and then I just use that measuring cup to help, press down, and it kind of gets the edges.
Right.
Okay, so we've got that smooth and creamy.
Ready for the lime juice?
And then we are going to add in, the lime juice.
Do you want that with the whipped cream?
And then this is the cream cheese.
Oh, sorry, cream cheese.
So add in our lime juice.
Got it.
And then we are gonna add our sweetened condensed milk.
And I see some fresh lime hanging off to the side too.
And we need our fresh lime zest.
Does that go in now?
So that also goes into our bowl.
So it does come together pretty quickly.
Yeah.
And then you chill this once it's assembled, right?
Yep, and so after you make the crust, while you're doing the filling, you will like chill that until it's ready as well.
Okay.
So there's our sweet condensed milk there, and then we just continue beating this until this is smooth and creamy.
We've got ourselves key lime perfection. How long does it need to sit in total in the fridge to be firm enough to eat?
We recommend 3 hours, but nobody likes running key lime pie, right?
Yeah.
You want to be able to slice into it and have it be pretty firm.
Yeah.
So, I just made it the night before and, chill it overnight.
And you told my producer you have a tip for the prettiest pie in town when you're adding the
toppings.
toppings.
So, yeah, I mean, if you pipe it right and put fresh whipped cream and lime zest, then it's going to be the star of your
Look how
dessert
beautiful.
or potluck or anything like that.
Oh, Alyssa, thank you so much.
So
key lime pie, the no-bake kind, easy enough to whip up on a casual Saturday afternoon. Well, we're so excited because Alyssa has a cookbook coming out next spring, right?
Yes. So we just finished writing a cookbook. That's one of the most questions we get asked.
Yeah.
And so, we just finished it and sent it off to the publisher.
Oh, that's a big deal. We'll look forward to that in spring of 2024. That's weird to say. In the meantime, can we catch up with you on social media?
Yes. So I am on all social media. It's therecipecritic.com.
Okay.
The Recipe Critic, and
great.
Yeah.
Well, if you aren't already following, give her a follow. More great recipes like this. Thank you. Please come back.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Look for today's recipe on our website as well, studio5.ksl.com.